This video is sponsored by AE Juice. Hello everyone, welcome to AE Graphics. Let's preview what we are going to create today. Let's get started. Open After Effects. Create a new comp. I am renaming it to Glitch Text Animation. I am using 1920 by 1080 resolution, 24 frames per second, 5 seconds long. Background color is black, and press OK. I am not using any project files. You can download the AEP file from the link in description. Create a new comp. I am renaming it to Text. Make sure background color is black, and press OK. Now let's type our text. Go to Toolbar, and select the horizontal type tool. I am using Impact Font. Font color is red. Font size 300. Also make sure all caps is turned on. You are free to choose your own values. Let's type our text. Glitch. Align it to the center. And the anchor points to. Now our text is ready. Before we dive deeper into today's tutorial, I've got something amazing to share with you. AE Juice's Happy Holiday sale is here, and they're offering an insane 99% offer on their I Want It All bundle lifetime access. Get all of AE Juice's premium assets, animations, transitions, templates, plugins, and more for a lifetime at this incredible price. If you're looking for flexibility, they also have 50% offer on all-access subscription plus free plugins to boost your workflow. Just click the links in the description to grab these deals before they're gone. This sale won't last long. Don't miss out on this amazing offer. Happy holidays and happy creating with AE Juice. Let's jump right back into today's tutorial. Now let's create our main transition animation. Create a new comp. I am renaming it as Transition. Also, I am using the same settings that used for the text comp. Make sure background color is black. And press OK. Now right-click on the timeline. Navigate to New. And select Solid. I am renaming it as Black Noise. Make sure background color is black and press OK. Now go to Effects and Presets and search for Fractal Noise. Drag and drop it to the Black Noise solid layer. Let's make few adjustments. Now go to Effect Controls. Change the fractal type to Terrain. Noise type as Block. Turn on Invert. Make sure you are in the first frame. And change the brightness value as -500. Then set a keyframe on it. Now move to 12 frame and change the brightness value as -100. Again, go to the first frame and open Sub Settings. Then change the Sub Influence as 0% and set a keyframe on it, then move 4 frame forward. Again, change the sub-influence as 150%. Now we have this dotted background. For glitch effect, it has to be a moving animation. To do that, again, move to the first frame, go to the Effect Controls, hold Alt in Windows and Option in Mac, and click on the Evolution Stopwatch. Now we have the expression evolution opened. Type time multiply by 500 and hit Enter on keyboard. Now we have our animation. Again, go to Effects and Presets, search for Block Dissolve. Select the Block Dissolve under Transition. Drag and drop it to the Black Noise solid layer. Now let's animate it. Make sure the Black Noise solid layer is selected. Press U in Keyboard to open the keyframes. Move to the 12th frame. And set a keyframe on Transition Completion Value with 0%. I am moving to 1 second. Then change the Transition Completion Value as 100%. I am leaving the other settings as default. To make our text visible, we need to create another layer. Now right-click on the timeline, navigate to New, and select Solid. I am renaming it as white solid. Change the background color to white and press OK. Place it below the black noise. Now go to Effects and Presets. Again, select the block dissolve under Transition. Drag and drop it to the white solid layer. Now let's animate it. Go to 12 frames. Select the white solid layer. Go to Effect Controls. Then change the transition completion to 100% and set a keyframe on it. Now move to 22 frame and change the transition completion to 0%. Now our dissolve animation is ready. Then select both the solid layers. Press U in keyboard to open the keyframes. Select all the keyframes. Right-click on any keyframe. Navigate to Keyframe Assistant and select Easy Ease. Now our dissolve animation is ready. Let's move to our final animation. Go to the Glitch Text Animation Comp. Now go to Project Window. Drag and drop the transition comp to the timeline and turn it off. Again, go to the Project Window. Select the text comp, drag and drop it above the transition comp. Now go to Effects and Presets and search for Set Matte. Drag and drop it to the text comp. Let's make few adjustments. Now go to Effect Controls. Change the Take Matte as Transition. Also change Use for Matte as Luminance. Now we have this basic animation. Let's make it as Glitch Line. To do that, right-click on Timeline, navigate to New, and select Adjustment Layer. I am renaming it as Glitch. Now go to Effects and Presets. Search for Displacement Map. Drag and drop it to the Glitch Adjustment layer. Let's make some adjustments. Make sure you are in the first frame. Move to Effect Controls. Change the use for horizontal displacement as alpha, then change the max horizontal displacement as 0. Also change the use for vertical displacement as alpha. Now change the max vertical displacement value as -750. Then set a keyframe on it. Now move to 1 second. Then change the max vertical displacement value as 0. This animation looks unfinished. I wanted the dots as lines. To do that, go to Effects and Presets, search for Minimax. Drag and drop it to the Glitch Adjustment layer. Let's make few adjustments. Go to Effect Controls, change the operation type to Maximum then Minimum. Also change the channel as Alpha and Color. Then change the direction to just Vertical. Make sure the Don't Shrink Edges is selected. Now it's time to animate it. Move to 12 frames and change the radius value to 500. Then set a keyframe on it. Then move to 1 second. Then change the radius value as 0. Now select the Glitch Adjustment layer. Press U in keyboard to open the keyframes. Select all the keyframes. Right-click on any keyframe. Navigate to Keyframe Assistant. Easy Ease. That's all. Our glitch text animation is ready. Let's RAM preview. Hope you like this tutorial. Before we wrap up, don't forget to check out AE Juice for amazing After Effects tools that can take your projects to the next level. Link in the description. Do subscribe our channel for more videos. Let's learn together. Meet you in the next video. Good day.